Do you want to tag someone on Facebook Reels after posting? You can tag people on Facebook Reel videos with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to tag someone on Facebook Reels after posting. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Tagging someone on Facebook Reels after posting involves mentioning a person to your reel after it's been published. Tagging allows you to collaborate with them on a reel or give them credit for their participation in the video. To tag someone on Facebook Reels after posting. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, navigate to your profile. From your profile, tap on the Reels tab. This will display all the Reels you have published on your Facebook account. Now, open a published Reel video that you want to tag someone in. Once the Reel is open, look for the three dots menu on the right side of the video and tap on it. From the pop-up menu, tap on Edit Reel to access editing options for your Reel. Tap on the Reel's caption text box and type at the rate or tap on the mention button. Now, start typing the name of the friend you want to mention in your Reel. Facebook will display name suggestions based on what you've typed. Select the name of the person you want to tag from the suggestions. After tagging someone, tap on the Save button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Your Reel is now updated with the tagged user. They'll receive a notification and can view, like, comment, or share your Reel video.